The magic of lipstick, from factory to your lips. Have you ever wondered how lipstick is made? It's a fascinating journey from simple ingredients to the perfect little tube in your makeup bag. Let's explore the science and artistry behind creating those vibrant colors and smooth textures. The recipe for colorful kisses, waxes, oils, and pigments. These three components are the heart and soul of every lipstick, creating the perfect blend of texture, moisture, and vibrant color. Lipstick starts with a blend of three main ingredients: waxes, oils, and pigments. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in the final product, ensuring that the lipstick not only looks stunning, but also feels comfortable on the lips. Waxes like beeswax or carnauba wax provide the lipstick's solid structure. Beeswax, harvested from honeycombs, is known for its ability to hold shape and add a natural sheen. Carnauba wax, derived from the leaves of the carnauba palm, is prized for its hardness and glossy finish. Oils such as castor oil or jojoba oil add moisture and a creamy feel. Castor oil, extracted from castor beans, is a popular choice for its rich, emollient properties. Jojoba oil, which closely resembles the skin's natural sebum, provides hydration and a smooth application. Finally, pigments give lipstick its beautiful color, from classic reds to playful pinks and everything in between. These pigments are finely ground powders that are carefully blended to achieve the desired shade. Whether it's a bold, dramatic hue or a subtle, everyday tint, the right pigments make all the difference. The process of making lipstick involves melting and mixing these ingredients together. The waxes are melted first, creating a smooth base. Oils are then added to the mixture, ensuring that the final product will glide effortlessly onto the lips. Once the waxes and oils are thoroughly combined, pigments are introduced. This step requires precision, as the amount and type of pigment will determine the final color and opacity of the lipstick. The mixture is then poured into molds to form the iconic lipstick shape. After the lipstick bullets have cooled and solidified, they are carefully removed from the molds. Each bullet is inspected for quality, ensuring that it meets the brand's standards for color, texture, and consistency. The final step in the process is packaging. The lipstick bullets are inserted into their cases, ready to be adorned with the brand's logo and design. Once packaged, the lipsticks are ready to bring a splash of color and confidence to anyone who wears them. From the factory to your makeup bag, each tube of lipstick is a testament to the careful craftsmanship and attention to detail that goes into creating the perfect product. So the next time you swipe on your favorite shade, remember the journey it took to get there. Melting and mixing, where the magic begins. The lipstick making process begins by melting the waxes and oils together in large heated kettles. Imagine a giant pot of colorful soup. Once melted, pigments are added and mixed thoroughly. This ensures the color is evenly distributed throughout the mixture, creating a consistent shade. Smoothness is key, the refining power of milling. To achieve that luxuriously smooth texture, the lipstick mixture undergoes a process called milling. This involves passing the mixture through rollers with increasingly fine gaps. Think of it like kneading dough, but for lipstick. Milling removes any grittiness, ensuring a flawless application on your lips. Shaping the pout from liquid to lipstick. The journey of creating the perfect lipstick is a fascinating blend of science, art, and precision. Each step in the process is meticulously designed to ensure that the final product not only looks stunning, but also feels luxurious on the lips. Now, it's time to give the lipstick its iconic shape. This is where the magic truly begins. Skilled workers and advanced machinery work in harmony to prepare the molds that will shape the lipstick. These molds are crafted with precision to ensure that every lipstick is uniform and flawless. The molten lipstick mixture is poured into molds of the desired shape, from classic bullet shapes to trendy square designs. The mixture itself is a carefully balanced blend of oils, waxes, and pigments, each chosen to provide the perfect texture, color, and durability. As the mixture flows into the molds, it begins to take on the form that will soon grace the shelves of beauty stores worldwide. These molds are then cooled to solidify the lipstick. This cooling process is crucial, as it ensures that the lipstick retains its shape and texture. The molds are placed on a conveyor belt and moved through a cooling tunnel where the temperature is carefully controlled. This step is akin to a delicate dance where timing and temperature must be perfectly synchronized, much like putting jelly into the fridge to set. Just as jelly needs the right conditions to firm up, so too does the lipstick. The cooling process not only solidifies the lipstick, but also helps to lock in the color and ensure that the final product is smooth and even. Once the lipstick has set, it is carefully removed from the molds, ready for the next stage of its journey to becoming a beauty essential. A touch of fire, perfecting the lipstick surface. The journey of a lipstick from raw material to a finished product is a fascinating one, filled with meticulous steps to ensure perfection. For an extra touch of polish, the cooled lipsticks undergo a process called flame treatment. This step is crucial in the manufacturing process, as it ensures that each lipstick meets the high standards of quality and aesthetics that consumers expect. This involves briefly passing the lipstick tip over a flame which melts the outermost layer. The flame treatment is carefully controlled to avoid damaging the lipstick while achieving the desired smoothness. The heat from the flame is just enough to melt the surface layer, creating a flawless finish. This creates a smooth and glossy finish, removing any imperfections and preparing the lipstick for its final packaging. The result is a product that not only looks beautiful, but also feels luxurious when applied. The flame treatment is a testament to the attention to detail and craftsmanship that goes into every lipstick. From the initial formulation to the final touches, each step is designed to enhance the quality and appeal of the product. The smooth surface achieved through flame treatment ensures that the lipstick glides on effortlessly, providing a seamless application experience for the user. This final step in the production process is what sets high-quality lipsticks apart, making them a favorite among consumers who appreciate the finer details in their beauty products. The journey of a lipstick is a blend of science and art, culminating in a product that brings joy and confidence to its users. The flame treatment is a small but significant part of this journey, highlighting the dedication and expertise of the manufacturers in creating a perfect lipstick. Dressed to impress, lipstick meets its tube. Finally, the lipstick is ready for its grand entrance. A mechanical arm carefully picks up each lipstick and inserts it into its designated tube. These tubes come in various designs and materials, adding to the lipstick's overall aesthetic appeal and brand identity. Ready for the spotlight, labeling and packaging. The finishing touches involve labeling and packaging. Each lipstick tube is labeled with the brand name, shade name, and other important information. The lipsticks are then placed in individual boxes ready to be shipped to stores and eventually find their way into your makeup bag. The human touch craftsmanship in every lipstick. While lipstick production involves advanced machinery, human expertise remains crucial. From meticulously blending colors to ensuring quality control at every stage, skilled technicians play a vital role in crafting those little tubes of joy. So, the next time you apply your favorite lipstick, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took. From humble ingredients to a symbol of beauty and self-expression, lipstick production reflects a fascinating blend of science, technology, and artistry.